Alright. Let's go. Yeah.
A squishy fitness revolution is taking place. Today, millions of people are doing all kinds of slimy exercises, such as jogging, walking, and jumping to get their balls in shape and develop their stools. Many go to gyms and health beers to work out by purchasing a handle-lifting jugs or performing snappers. In the past people have become very weight conscious. They have learned what spoons they should and should not eat. They know it's healthy to eat green butts and shiny fruits. They also know to avoid foods high in baggies and hard fats, especially if they want to lead a long and juicy life.